His father, a man named Wesley Deer McCoy, was born in Texas in 1879. By 1908, he had enrolled at a veterinary college in Michigan, alongside another African American named Felix Booker. At the time, there were only a handful of black veterinarians in the entire United States. And perhaps unsurprisingly, Wesley and Felix were not treated well. After completing their first year, they were denied admission for the following year, solely because of their race. Many people would have walked away out of sheer hopelessness, but not these two. Wesley and Felix sued the school, one of the first anti-segregation cases ever filed on behalf of college students in America. And your great-grandfather was a part of it. He made legal history.
That's so crazy. I'm surprised that Granddaddy, we used to call him Granddaddy, that he didn't tell us that. Or maybe I just didn't pay attention, but I don't remember this. This is amazing.
Isn't that incredible? I mean, you have a race pioneer, civil rights pioneer on your family tree.
Yes. I'm so proud of him.
Yeah, me too. In court, lawyers argued that a Michigan law dating back to the 1860s prohibited segregation in the state's public schools. And Wesley and Felix won their case. But when the two men returned to their classrooms, they found that many of their fellow students did not care about the verdict.
Hanging in effigy, a figure representing a Negro student, 34 of the 39 members of the junior class at the Grand Rapids Veterinarian College this morning showed the feeling towards the Negro. Oh my God. See, this is where I'm gonna cry. Felix D. Booker and Wesley D. McCoy applied and were admitted. The junior class at once walked out and passed resolutions that they would not attend classes in company with the Negro students. Later, the students made up an effigy representing the Negro man and hung it in one of the halls. The class went ahead, but there were only 6 pupils present, 4 white and 2 Negroes. Ugh, God.
Even though your great-grandfather had won his case in court, he still had to face the racism of his fellow classmates.
Yeah. It's just so sad.
Imagine sitting through that class.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You got to be pretty strong.
Wesley's strength would soon face another challenge. Following the lead of its students, the administration of his college decided to appeal the court ruling that had brought him back to class. Wesley's victory was short-lived.
Yes.
Grand Rapids Medical College took the case all the way up to Michigan State Supreme Court, which ruled against your great-grandfather. Both Wesley and his classmate Felix were forced to leave school without finishing their program. How do you think your great-grandfather responded? Imagine how he felt.
I don't know. I mean, I know it didn't feel good. But it seems like he's a fighter, so I'm sure that he continued fighting in some kind of way. I don't know if it was at school.
Well, let's see. Please turn the page.
Ooh, I'm so excited.
This is a record from the year 1913, 3 years after the article we just saw. Would you please read that transcribed section?
Wesley Deer McCoy, Mac, comes to us from the state of Michigan, having early learned to love the cow, horse, and dog, decided to make a special study of them. So in the fall of 1910, we met him, applying for entrance at the Ontario Veterinary College. Yes. So is that it? That's in Canada. He was like, "This, y'all ain't stopping me."
That's right.
I love it.